Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Golden Platter. Today, the dish that we are going to make is a very special dish in India. Its name is Chana Dal Khichdi. It is made in each and every home and it's very good for health. Now, we'll move on to the ingredients, but before that, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And now we'll get started. The ingredients required are half cup of chickpea lentils or chana dal, 1 cup of basmati rice, 2 medium-sized onions which we have cut lengthwise or we have sliced it, 2 to 3 spoons of Desi ghee, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Now we move on to the spices. The spices required are 1 tablespoon of cumin seed, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 black cardamom, 2 green cardamoms, 1 bay leaf, 3 to 4 cloves and 4 black pepper. Now we also require salt, red chili. Now let's get started. Now the first step is I have washed rice and chana dal properly 2-3 times and now we'll soak it for around 30 to 40 minutes.
Now we'll take Desi ghee in a karahi or a pan and let it melt.
Now we'll add spices into it. We'll add some cumin seeds, clove, black pepper, black cardamom, bay leaf, green cardamom and cinnamon stick into it. And for 2 minutes we'll keep stirring it properly until we get nice fragrance of it. After our spices have roasted nicely, we'll add 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste and again we'll roast it for 2 minutes. As you can see, ginger garlic paste is roasted very well. Now we'll be adding onions into it. Again, we'll roast it for just 2 to 3 minutes as we don't have to make it golden brown. As you can see, onions are roasted very nicely and they are pink in color. They are not golden brown. So we'll stop here and we'll add chana dal into it. Next, we'll roast chana dal again for 3 to 4 minutes. Don't forget to stir, it's very important. Chana dal has been roasted properly. Now we'll add rice into it. We'll also add salt and red chili. Apart from this, we can also add Garam Masala into it. And now we'll stir it properly. It looks really delicious. Now we'll be adding 3 cups of water. After we have added water, we'll keep it for around 12 to 15 minutes until it gets cooked or until the water is soaked. After 15 minutes, water is completely dried and we'll serve it with curd and pickle.
I hope you all enjoyed the recipe. Do try this recipe at home for your loved ones and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.